Welcome to our comprehensive guide on choosing the right document management system for sales teams. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficient document handling is crucial for sales success. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, having the right tools can streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and boost productivity. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist to help you make an informed decision. Let's start by understanding why document management matters for sales teams and what benefits you can expect from a well-chosen system. Before diving into options, it's important to assess the specific needs of your sales team. Consider the size of your team, the volume of documents you handle, and the types of files you frequently use. Are you dealing with contracts, proposals, presentations, or client communications? Identifying these requirements will help you narrow down systems that cater to your unique workflow. This initial assessment sets the foundation for a successful selection process, ensuring you don't overlook critical features that your team relies on daily. Next, clarify your objectives for implementing a document management system. Are you aiming to improve collaboration, enhance security, or speed up document retrieval? Setting clear goals will guide your evaluation and help you prioritize features. For example, if your main concern is collaboration, look for systems with real-time editing and sharing capabilities. If security is paramount, focus on robust access controls and encryption. Defining objectives ensures your investment aligns with your sales team's strategic goals. Budget is a key factor in choosing any software solution. Start by estimating how much you're willing to invest in a document management system. Consider both upfront costs and ongoing expenses, such as subscriptions, maintenance, and training. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best balance cost with value. Look for systems that offer scalable pricing so you can adjust as your team grows. Proper budget planning prevents surprises and ensures you get the most out of your investment. A user-friendly interface is essential for adoption and productivity. Sales teams need a system that's intuitive and easy to navigate, minimizing the learning curve. Test demo versions or trial accounts to see how your team interacts with the platform. Look for features like drag-and-drop uploads, clear folder structures, and customizable dashboards. A well-designed interface encourages consistent use and reduces errors, making document management a seamless part of your sales process. Effective collaboration is vital for sales teams. Choose a document management system that supports real-time editing, sharing, and commenting. These features enable your team to work together on proposals, contracts, and presentations without confusion or delays. Integration with communication tools like email or chat can further enhance teamwork. Collaboration tools help your sales team stay connected, share insights, and close deals faster. Sales documents often contain sensitive information. Security should be a top priority when selecting a document management system. Look for features like access controls, user permissions, encryption, and audit trails. These safeguards protect your data from unauthorized access and ensure compliance with industry regulations. A secure system gives your team confidence to store and share important documents without risk. Decide whether you need a cloud-based or on-premise document management system. Cloud solutions offer flexibility, remote access, and automatic updates, making them ideal for distributed sales teams. On-premise systems provide greater control and may be preferred for strict security requirements. Evaluate your team's workflow, IT resources, and compliance needs to choose the best deployment model. Your document management system should integrate seamlessly with other tools your sales team uses, such as CRM, email, and analytics platforms. Integration streamlines workflows, reduces manual tasks, and ensures data consistency across systems. Check for compatibility with your existing software and look for APIs or connectors that facilitate easy integration. This step is crucial for maximizing efficiency and leveraging the full potential of your sales tech stack. Sales professionals are often on the move. Ensure your document management system offers robust mobile accessibility, allowing your team to access, edit, and share documents from smartphones or tablets. Mobile apps should provide a smooth user experience, with features like offline access and push notifications. This flexibility empowers your sales team to stay productive wherever they are. Efficient search functionality is a must-have for any document management system. Sales teams need to quickly locate contracts, proposals, and client information. Look for systems with advanced search features, including keyword search, filters, and tagging. These tools save time and reduce frustration, ensuring your team can find what they need without delay. Version control is essential for managing document updates and edits. Choose a system that tracks changes, maintains document history, and allows users to revert to previous versions if needed. This feature prevents confusion, reduces errors, and ensures your sales team always works with the most up-to-date information. Automating routine tasks can save your sales team valuable time. Look for document management systems with workflow automation features, such as approval routing, reminders, and notifications. Automation streamlines processes, reduces manual errors, and ensures documents move efficiently through the sales pipeline. Every sales team has unique needs. Choose a document management system that offers customization options, such as custom fields, templates, and branding. Customization allows you to tailor the system to your workflow, making it more relevant and effective for your team's daily operations. Compliance with industry regulations is crucial, especially when handling sensitive sales documents. Look for systems that support compliance standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, or industry-specific requirements. Features like audit logs, data retention policies, and secure storage help ensure your sales team meets legal obligations. As your sales team grows, your document management system should scale with you. Choose a solution that can handle increasing users, documents, and complexity without performance issues. Scalability ensures your investment remains valuable as your business expands, supporting your team's evolving needs. Reliable customer support is essential for smooth operations. Evaluate the support options offered by each document management system, such as live chat, phone, email, and online resources. Responsive support helps resolve issues quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping your sales team focused on closing deals. Comprehensive training resources help your sales team get up to speed quickly. Look for systems that offer tutorials, webinars, and documentation. Good training ensures your team can use all features effectively, maximizing the value of your document management system. Gather feedback from your sales team during the evaluation process. Encourage users to test demo versions and share their experiences. User feedback highlights strengths and weaknesses, helping you choose a system that fits your team's preferences and workflow. Many document management systems offer trial periods. Take advantage of these to test features, usability, and performance in real-world scenarios. A trial period allows your sales team to evaluate the system hands-on, ensuring it meets your needs before committing. Research the reputation of document management system vendors. Look for reviews, case studies, and testimonials from other sales teams. A reputable vendor is more likely to provide reliable software, ongoing updates, and quality support. Develop a clear implementation plan for your chosen document management system. Outline steps for migration, training, and rollout. A well-structured plan ensures a smooth transition, minimizes disruptions, and sets your sales team up for success. Migrating existing documents to a new system can be challenging. Choose a platform that offers easy import tools, supports multiple file formats, and provides guidance for migration. Proper data migration ensures your sales team retains access to important documents without interruption. Monitor the performance of your document management system after implementation. Track metrics such as uptime, response times, and user satisfaction. Regular monitoring helps identify issues early and ensures your sales team enjoys a reliable, efficient platform. Document management is an ongoing process. Encourage your sales team to provide feedback and suggest improvements. Regularly review system performance and update features as needed. Continuous improvement keeps your document management system aligned with evolving sales needs. Protect your sales documents with robust backup and recovery options. Choose a system that offers automatic backups, easy restoration, and disaster recovery plans. These features safeguard your data against loss and ensure business continuity. Timely notifications keep your sales team informed about document updates, approvals, and deadlines. Look for systems that offer customizable notification settings, ensuring your team receives relevant alerts without information overload. Templates simplify document creation and ensure consistency. Choose a system that offers customizable templates for proposals, contracts, and presentations. Templates save time and help your sales team maintain a professional image. Granular access control ensures only authorized users can view or edit sensitive sales documents. Look for systems that allow you to set permissions by user, group, or document type. Access control protects your data and supports compliance. Audit trails track document activity, providing a record of who accessed, edited, or shared files. This feature is essential for accountability and compliance. Choose a system that offers detailed audit logs and easy reporting. Efficient document sharing is crucial for sales teams. Choose a system that supports secure sharing options, such as password protection, expiration dates, and access restrictions. Secure sharing ensures your documents reach the right people without risk. Tagging documents with relevant keywords makes organization and retrieval easier. Choose a system that allows flexible tagging and categorization. Tags help your sales team quickly locate important files and keep your document library organized. Analytics provide insights into document usage, helping you optimize workflows. Choose a system that tracks metrics like document views, edits, and shares. Analytics help your sales team understand which documents are most valuable and identify areas for improvement. Archiving old or inactive documents keeps your library organized and improves system performance. Choose a system that offers easy archiving and retrieval options. Archiving ensures your sales team can focus on current documents without clutter. Set expiry dates for time-sensitive sales documents. Choose a system that supports automatic expiration and notifications. Expiry management helps your team stay compliant and ensures outdated documents are removed promptly. Sales teams often need to sign contracts and agreements quickly. Choose a document management system that integrates with e-signature tools. E-signature integration streamlines approvals and accelerates deal closure. If your sales team operates globally, multi-language support is essential. Choose a system that offers localization and translation features. Multi-language support ensures your team can collaborate effectively across regions. Reporting tools help you track document activity and compliance. Choose a system that offers customizable reports and dashboards. Reporting enables your sales team to monitor progress and make data-driven decisions. Third-party integrations expand the functionality of your document management system. Look for platforms that connect with popular sales tools, marketing software, and productivity apps. Integrations help your sales team work more efficiently and leverage existing investments. APIs allow you to customize and extend your document management system. Choose a platform with robust API support, enabling integration with other tools and custom workflows. API availability ensures your system adapts to your sales team's unique requirements. Regular system updates ensure your document management platform stays secure and functional. Choose a vendor that provides frequent updates, bug fixes, and feature enhancements. Updates keep your sales team equipped with the latest tools and protections. Reliability is critical for sales operations. Choose a document management system with high uptime, robust infrastructure, and disaster recovery options. Reliable systems minimize disruptions and keep your sales team productive. Define user roles within your document management system. Assign permissions based on job functions, ensuring each team member has access to relevant documents. User roles streamline workflows and enhance security. After implementing your document management system, conduct regular evaluations. Assess user satisfaction, system performance, and feature usage. Ongoing evaluation ensures your sales team continues to benefit from the platform and identifies opportunities for improvement. Choosing the right document management system for your sales team is a strategic decision. By following this step-by-step checklist, you can ensure your team gets a solution that boosts productivity, enhances collaboration, and protects sensitive information. Take time to evaluate options, involve your team, and plan for ongoing improvement. With the right system in place, your sales team will be equipped to handle documents efficiently and focus on closing more deals.